In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a custom template in PowerPoint with the .potx file extension. This is a handy skill if you want to streamline your presentation creation process or maintain consistency across all your work. So, let's dive right in and guide you through the steps. First, we're going to get started by launching Microsoft PowerPoint. You can either look for the icon on your desktop or search for PowerPoint in the Start menu and click to open it. If you already have an existing presentation in mind, you can open that file. Otherwise, you can create a new presentation by selecting New from the menu. Once you have your PowerPoint file open, take a moment to add all the necessary elements that will make your presentation stand out, such as photos, tables, charts, and other content you might need for your template. The important thing here is to ensure the setup is exactly how you want all future presentations that use this template to look. Now, once you have your presentation the way you want it, head over to the File tab located in the upper left corner of the window. Click on it, and you will see a host of options. From these options, look for the Save As if you are using a version prior to Microsoft 365. However, if you're using Microsoft 365, this step may look slightly different. In that case, you'll select Save a Copy. Essentially, both serve the purpose of saving your presentation in a new format or location without overwriting the original. Next, click on Browse to select where you'd like to save your template. This time, instead of just picking any folder, we'll have to specify the type of file to save it as. This is very important for template creation. Locate the Save as Type drop-down menu. Once you click it, a list of file types will appear. From these, choose PowerPoint Template .potx. This ensures your file is saved in the correct template format necessary for future use. On choosing this file type, you'll notice that the save location will automatically redirect to a folder named Custom Office Templates. This is the default and correct location for all new templates you might want to save in the future. All that's left to do now is to give your new template a name. Decide on a memorable and descriptive file name and type it into the file name box. With everything set, click the Save button. And there you have it. Your new PowerPoint template is saved. Now you can use this template anytime you start a new presentation, ensuring consistency and saving you a ton of time. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're now ready to create your own custom templates in PowerPoint. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.